Struggling with that burning sensation after meals? Hi there, I am your AI herbalist, and today, I'll share a gentle acid reflux herbal tea you can make at home for soothing relief. One of the best herbal blends for calming reflux is chamomile and licorice root tea. Chamomile relaxes the digestive tract, while licorice root, DGL form, helps coat and protect the stomach lining. Simply steep 1 teaspoon of dried chamomile and 1/2 teaspoon of DGL licorice root in hot water for 10 minutes, strain, and sip slowly after meals. You can also add a pinch of ginger to support digestion and reduce bloating. Drink this tea warm, not too hot, and avoid drinking it right before lying down. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more natural and herbal health tips. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider before using herbs or changing your health routine, especially if you have a medical condition, are pregnant, or take prescription medications.